Hello everyone. Question is, if x cube minus x square equals to 100, find x. Solution will be, here we have been given that x cube minus x square equals to 100. Transposing 100 to left hand side, we can write this as x cube minus x square minus 100 equals to 0. This equals to x cube minus x square minus 100 can be written as 125 minus 25 equals to 0. This equals to x cube minus x square minus 125 plus 25 equals to 0. After rearranging, we can write this as x cube minus 125 minus x square plus 25 equals to 0. This equals to x cube minus 125 minus x square minus 25 equals to 0. This equals to x cube minus 125 can be written as 5 cube minus x square minus 25 can be written as 5 square equals to 0. Now we will factorize x cube minus 5 cube using algebraic formula. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write this as x minus 5 times x square plus 5x plus 25 minus, again we will factorize x square minus 5 square using algebraic formula. A square minus b square equals to a minus b times a plus b. So we can write this as x minus 5 times x plus 5 equals to 0. Now you can see that in both the terms we have common factor x minus 5, x minus 5. So taking out common factor from both the terms, we can write this as x minus 5 times x square plus 5x plus 25 minus x plus 5 equals to 0. After removing bracket from here and here, we can write this as x minus 5 times x square plus 5x plus 25 minus x minus 5 equals to 0. This equals to x minus 5 times x square. 5x minus x will be plus 4x. 25 minus 5 will be plus 20 equals to 0. Now from here, either x minus 5 equals to 0 or x square plus 4x plus 20 equals to 0. So we can write x minus 5 equals to 0 or x square plus 4x plus 20 equals to 0. From here, x equals to 5. Now this is a quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation, we will use quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a equals to coefficient of x square, that is 1, b equals to coefficient of x, that is 4, c equals to constant term, that is 20. Now substituting a, b and c in quadratic formula, we get x equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 20 by 2 times 1. This equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 20 equals to 80 by 2 times 1 is 2. This equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 80 equals to minus 64 by 2. This equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 64 can be written as 64 times minus 1 by 2. This equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 64 times minus 1 can be written as square root of 64 times square root of minus 1 by 2. This equals to minus 4 plus minus, now square root of 64 equals to 8, and we write square root of minus 1 equals to I. So we can write square root of 64 times square root of minus 1 as 8I by 2. This equals to, taking out 2 as common factor from both the terms in the numerator, we can write this as 2 times minus 2 plus minus 4I by 2. Here and here 2 will be reduced by 2 1 times, here also 1 times. This equals to minus 2 plus minus 4I. Therefore, x equals to 5 or minus 2 plus minus 4I. This is your solution.